First, add water into dried cuttlefish, and left it around 30 minutes, till it's soft. Drain it. Cut garlic into smaller pieces. Cabbage, cut into smaller pieces. Shred the carrots. Shred the jicama. Wash and drain it. Remove pork bellies, skin. Boil the water, and cook the pork belly. Cut the pork belly into smaller pieces. Add in pork oil. Pork oil's recipes can find in our channel. Add in dried cuttlefish. Fry till crispy and fragrance. Add in garlic. Stir it. Add in pork belly. Stir it. Add in some cabbage. Add in some jicama. Stir it. Add in carrot. Stir it. Add in cabbage, jicama, carrot. Stir it. Add in some pork oil, if not enough. Stir it. Add in salt. Stir it. Add in white pepper. Stir it. Taste it first, whether it is salty or not. Stir fry till golden brown and fragrance. It's ready. It can eat with rice or wrap it with lettuce.